Hello, and thanks for choosing this video training course. Fiverr can be said to be the largest online marketplace for $5 services. They can also be said to be the pioneer in this market. With this unique idea of selling services for just $5, Fiverr has grown exponentially since its launch. In this course, I'm going to show you how to become a superstar seller in Fiverr. Fiverr has opened up a new business path for sellers to offer their services and earn massive income. As I mentioned, Fiverr is a global online marketplace that offers various tasks and services beginning at a cost of $5 per job performed. This is how Fiverr derived its name. It always starts with a $5 job. If you ever wonder how offering just a $5 job can earn massive income, I'll tell you the secrets throughout this course. The site is primarily used by freelancers to offer services at a cost of $5. As time passes, Fiverr lists more than 3 million services on the site, with the price ranging from $5 to $500 now. Fiverr is a good place to start with to build your freelance empire. Here's a list of things of what Fiverr can do for you. Sometimes, looking for a platform to present your services can be the most difficult thing for a freelancer. Connection is all a freelancer needs, and Fiverr has created this platform for you. This is a place where everyone can be connected to search for the services that they need. Fiverr is extremely easy to navigate and use. The website design is clean and clear, that even first-timers can understand the concept easily in no time at all. An account on Fiverr is all you need to start with, whether you are a seller or a buyer. As you already know, Fiverr is a marketplace where people can offer their services starting at a cost of $5. The concept of Fiverr is straightforward. As a seller, remember this 4-step procedure. Communicate with the buyer, accept the gig or send them a custom offer, deliver the gig, and complete the order. With just a few simple steps, you can make money while doing something that you love. Isn't this a life goal to achieve? With Fiverr, you can do this if you play your cards right. Now that you already know the whole concept and what Fiverr can do for you, the next step is to prepare the necessary tools for it. First of all, you will need to sign up for a Fiverr account. The process of signing up is simple. Just enter your email and set up your password. Moving on, especially for the newbies in the internet business, do your own niche research. Looking for a suitable niche to start the business is the utmost important task you should do before anything else. It can be something which you are already doing, what you love, and most importantly, something that can sell. Lastly, you will need to have your own PayPal account. PayPal is the main payment method that is accepted by Fiverr. If you already own one, link it to your Fiverr account. If you do not have one, it's time to create one. Do not worry about the fee, as creating a PayPal account is free. First of all, signing up for a Fiverr account is free of charge. Go to their website, then click on Join to sign up for your account. As mentioned, enter your email and set up the password. Other than that, you can connect Fiverr to your Facebook or Google account without creating a new account. The whole process is extremely easy. It's not necessary to fill in any other information unless you want to customize your profile manually. After that, you'll receive a confirmation email from Fiverr. Activate your account through the email. And once you have completed the activation, you can start selling on Fiverr. The second thing that you'll need is a PayPal account because it's the main payment method accepted on Fiverr. They do not accept credit cards and bank transfers, as every transaction will need to go through PayPal. If you already have a PayPal account, just link it to your Fiverr. Fiverr will require you to do this action when you sign up for Fiverr. If you do not have a PayPal account yet, sign up for one and link them together. Other than linking your PayPal account to Fiverr, you can set up a Fiverr revenue card as well. The Fiverr revenue card is the second method for you to manage your revenue. It's basically a payer card that allows you to treat it like an ATM card. However, you will need to pay a yearly fee for this, and the yearly fee may vary in price. There are some things that you will need to take note of before you start your business with Fiverr. Nothing comes for free. Fiverr will pay only 80% of your revenue. The other 20% revenue share with Fiverr and PayPal will be deducted straight away. This is what you need to know. Instead of getting the full payment of $5, you will get $4 instead. Other than that, you will need to wait for 14 days for withdrawal. I know that this may be a big turnoff, but you can gradually get your way up as a top-rated seller. And when you've achieved the status as top-rated seller in Fiverr, you will only need to wait 7 days for withdrawal.